For 20 years, the South China Sea has been a chessboard, and for 20 years, one player has been steadily placing its most expensive pieces on the board, daring anyone to make a move. Beijing has spent trillions building a blue water navy designed for one purpose: absolute dominance. Their aircraft carriers are floating cities. Their destroyers are bristling with missiles. They believed they had built an unstoppable force. But what if I told you that the most powerful weapon in this ocean isn't the one you can see? What if the ultimate checkmate wasn't a towering aircraft carrier, but a ghost lurking hundreds of meters beneath the surface? A weapon so advanced, so silent, that it doesn't just evade detection, it defies it. In late 2025, during a massive, unannounced naval exercise, an entire Chinese carrier strike group was forced to make an emergency retreat. They weren't swarmed by aircraft. They weren't fired upon by a destroyer. They simply stopped. Why? Because for 4 hours, their entire fleet was being painted by active sonar targeting from a source they could not find, could not track, and could not escape. For 70 years, Japan was the shield of the Pacific, a passive defense force. But the sleeping giant has woken up, and it didn't wake up carrying a shield. It woke up holding a dagger held against the throat of the world's second largest navy. Today, we are tearing the veil off Japan's most closely guarded military secret, the black hole submarine that has just rendered China's multi-billion-dollar fleet completely obsolete. To understand the future, we have to understand the past. Traditional submarines, even nuclear ones, are noisy. Pumps, coolant reactors, gearboxes, they all create vibrations. In the deadly game of underwater hide-and-seek, noise is death. China knows this. They've spent billions covering the sea floor with passive sonar arrays, trying to turn the ocean transparent. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please take a second to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you are interested in the modern warfare topics and to know what's going on globally. Thank you. Enter Japan's new paradigm. This isn't just an upgrade to their formidable Taigei-class. This is an entirely new beast. Defense analysts are calling it the black hole because that's exactly what it is on sonar, a void. It doesn't reflect sound, it swallows it. The secret lies in a revolutionary new acoustic tiling system that covers every inch of the hull, a classified metamaterial that absorbs sonar pings with near 100% efficiency. But the real game changer is inside. Japan has perfected lithium-nickel-cobalt-aluminum oxide battery technology on a massive scale. This allows the submarine to run completely silent for weeks on end without ever needing to snorkel to recharge its batteries like older diesel subs. No noisy diesel engines, no reactor coolant pumps, just pure, silent electrical power. It can sit on the seabed at a choke point, powering down everything but passive sensors, becoming a literal hole in the water, a 4,000-ton ghost waiting for its prey. Now, look at this from Beijing's perspective. For 2 decades, their entire naval strategy has been built around anti-access area denial. The idea was to create a bubble of missiles and sensors that no US or allied surface ship could survive entering. They built the world's largest coast guard, the most numerous navy, and a massive network of underwater surveillance. And in one stroke, Japan has bypassed it all. All those surface radars? Useless against a sub that never surfaces. Those seabed sonar arrays? They can't detect a vessel that makes no sound. China's entire multi-trillion-dollar defensive architecture is designed to find a needle in a haystack. Japan just invented a needle that is invisible. Think about the psychological impact. A Chinese captain knows that at any moment, anywhere in the open ocean, one of these black hole subs could be right underneath his hull. He wouldn't know it's there until the first torpedo vaporizes his propellers. That fear paralyzes a fleet. It forces them to be cautious, to stay closer to home ports, to second-guess every deployment. The mere existence of this weapon achieves a strategic victory without a single shot being fired. But silence is only half the story. A ghost is scary. A ghost with a sniper rifle is terrifying. This new class isn't just a hunter-killer, it's an underwater mothership. It's designed to deploy networks of unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs. These drones act as extended eyes and ears, allowing the main submarine to stay miles away from danger while its tentacles gather intelligence. More importantly, some of these drones are communication relays. They can pop up to the surface for milliseconds, burst transmit targeting data to space-based assets, and dive back down before anyone knows they were there. This is the ultimate synergy. The black hole sub finds the target without being seen. It relays the coordinates to a joint US-Japan command network via satellite. Moments later, long-range anti-ship missiles from land bases in Okinawa or from unseen US bombers are on their way. The submarine doesn't even have to fire its own weapons to destroy a fleet. It is the silent spotter for an overwhelming kill chain. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, Taiwan. Any potential invasion scenario relies on China's ability to cross the 100-mile strait with thousands of troop transports and supply ships. This requires absolute control of the sea and air for weeks. Japan's new submarine force makes that impossible. Just a handful of these black hole subs parked at the northern and southern entrances to the Taiwan Strait create an impassable wall of death. Any transport ship attempting to cross would be sailing into a minefield of torpedoes fired from an unseen enemy. You cannot invade an island if your army is at the bottom of the ocean before it even gets halfway there. This single technology has single-handedly reset the strategic balance in Asia. It has turned China's numerical advantage into a liability. It's no longer about how many ships you have. It's about whether your ships can survive leaving port. The world was focused on hypersonic missiles and fifth-generation fighters, loud and flashy weapons designed for shock and awe. But while the world was looking up at the sky, Japan was looking down into the abyss. They recognized that in the next great power conflict, the victor won't be the one who screams the loudest. It will be the one who remains silent the longest. The drills in the South China Sea didn't stop because of a political phone call. They stopped because for the first time in a generation, a superpower felt true, primal fear of the unknown. Japan's black hole is no longer a theory, it's out there, somewhere, patrolling the deep. And its message to the world is clear. The Pacific is no longer anyone's backyard. So, is this the ultimate peacekeeper, or has Japan just kicked off a terrifying new underwater arms race that no one can control? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you think this is crazy, you need to see our video on why China's much-hyped railgun program turned into a disaster. Click right here to watch.